This is episode 1 of the two-part series where we explain the cost of developing an AI solution for your company. 1. Setting expectations from this estimation exercise. You would work out your exact business requirements for developing an AI solution. Moreover, a part of the cost will be the development manpower cost. In fact, this is one of the largest factors contributing to the overall cost in developing an AI solution. The business requirements will drive the consumption of resources like IT infrastructure. This estimation exercise will provide you with a framework to build a cost estimate. Subsequently, you need to input the variables like the number of features, labor rate, and more. The framework explained here doesn't give an exact dollar figure since we don't know the labor rate and number of features at this current stage of development. 2. Understanding the estimation variables. Our estimation exercise will use the following estimation variables: number of features you will need to input, manpower. The framework will help you to work out a range in person months, labor rate. You will need to input IT infrastructure cost. The framework will show you how to derive an estimate based on your consumption. Tools cost. The framework will explain how to derive an estimate based on your requirements. Administrative cost. You will need to input. 3. Choosing an SDLC model. You are likely considering AI for a strategic transformation in your business. Such projects typically have a well-defined set of requirements. Moreover, projects like these require thorough reviews after key milestones. The waterfall SDLC model works well for such projects since it stresses on baselining the requirements as well as reviews after every phase. The phases are as follows: requirements, analysis, design, development, testing, and deployment. 4. Determining the AI capabilities you need. You need to identify the functional features of the proposed AI solution for the estimation purpose. You also need to determine the AI capabilities you need. I recommend that you plan to include the following broad AI capabilities: machine learning, which could include deep learning, supervised learning, and unsupervised learning, natural language processing for answering questions, generating text, and image recognition. 5. Choose the right team composition. Your team for this project should have the following roles: a project manager, an IT architect, business analysis, UI designers, AI developers, covering capabilities like ML, NLP, vision, and speech, web, Android, and iOS developers, assuming you will offer the AI app on web and mobile, testers, DevOps engineers, and speech. 6. Document the estimation assumptions. I make the following assumptions for the estimation exercise. You will use a platform as a service platform for developing the web app. This project will utilize a mobile backend as a service platform for mobile app development. You will use application programming interfaces to implement key AI capabilities. The team will use reputed tools and frameworks like IDEs and test automation frameworks during this project. 7. Estimate the development manpower. I will now describe the manpower estimation by phases, and I will show the split of effort across roles. This estimation is as follows. The estimate for this phase is 6 to 8 person months, and the effort should be split across the roles in the following manner: PM 25%, IT architect 25%, business analysis 50%. 8. Estimate the PaaS platform cost. I recommend that you use AWS Elastic Beanstalk for developing and deploying the web app. Elastic Beanstalk is the PaaS offering from AWS, and this offers several benefits. For example, you don't need to manage cloud infrastructure since Elastic Beanstalk manages it. It also manages the operating system, middleware, and runtime environment. Therefore, you can focus on development. Elastic Beanstalk makes it easy for you to use database resources. Moreover, you can easily integrate third-party APIs. It's easy to use the AWS DevOps toolset. Moreover, you can easily scale the web app using the autos scaling solutions offered by AWS. 9. Estimate the MBaaS platform cost. AWS Amplify is the MBaaS platform offered by AWS, and I recommend that you use it for mobile app development. You get various advantages. For example, Amplify manages the cloud infrastructure. Therefore, you don't need to build and manage the mobile backend. You can easily implement key mobile app features like user management, security, and push notifications when you use Amplify. Integrating third-party APIs is easy with Amplify. Furthermore, you can easily scale the mobile app with it. This is it for the first part of the series in which we explain the costs to developing your own AI solution. Part 2 will be linked in the description. Thank you for tuning in.